Hello and welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? My name is Lynn and today I have an unboxing of Crafter's Companion Box 51. This one is all about stamps and stencils, and you can make a minimum of 16 cards that are 4x6 in size. So that's only just to say that they've provided 16 card bases and matching envelopes, but the reality is you can always make more than that so long as you're able to make your own card bases or buy more card bases if you prefer to go that route. And so let's see, I've already taken most everything out because when you get your box, everything gets packaged in these paper envelopes. And so just to make the unboxing go a little bit more smoothly, I've taken everything out. And this is a really lovely box. I'll start to go through everything in a moment here, but let's start with the papers because I think that gives a good idea for the color scheme. And it's really, look at how much paper you get here. So these are 8x8 sheets of, we're going to get a combination of pattern papers as well as solid color cardstock to coordinate. At least that's generally what we get. I did open this, but I've already forgotten what's in it. So look at that. It's kind of a tie-dye pattern. 3 sheets. Love these. Yeah, these are very... Oh, that's cool. I love the colors. Blues, teals, right up my alley. So it looks like kind of a teal blue, purples, and greens are our predominant colors here. And so that's really lovely. Then we have some solid color cardstock to coordinate. So let's look. These are white core. They are heavier weight than the pattern paper. And the pattern paper is single-sided. Even though it's a paper, I would still say maybe a very lightweight, very lightweight cardstock. It's somewhere in between paper and cardstock. This I would gauge at maybe an 80-pound, and oh, that's lovely. So 3 sheets in each color as well, and we have some pinks and purples, blues, and greens to coordinate. Really nice that. We've got our clear dewdrops, which I think is the new standard now. We have our 4x6 envelopes and 4x6 card bases. These are side folding, and we do get our ribbon. Oh, that's lovely. This is really well coordinated. 3 different colors in 3 different widths, so love that. And then this is, oh, this is interesting. This is, I think it's just, yeah, this is white cardstock that is cut to, I want to say this is a 5x7. Yep. Yeah. 5x7, interesting. Okay. Is this just stamping card? I'm not sure. Let me check the box, because the box does always tell you what all is in it. So let's see. Cardstock panel, 16 pieces. That's all it says. So that's interesting. Let's look here. So we have a stamp set that is lots of sentiments. I love that there are some longer ones. They're a little too small, I think, for the inside of the card, but they're really nice. And it looks like most, if not all of them, are to do with friendship, which is really wonderful. This is really nice. Some of these are pretty different. Like I've never seen that. My soul sister. Distance means so little when someone means so much. Side by side or miles apart, friends are forever. are forever close in your heart. I may not always be there for you, but I will always be with you. So some really, really lovely sentiments there. And then the main event are these stamps, which are your, so interesting, we get 2 stamp sets in this box. Usually it's just the one and then a die set, but it looks like we have some silhouette stamps, some scenery stamps, so you have trees, some different foliage and greenery, and then the stencils are in here. And you get the stencils, and oh yeah, so you do get the mask too. So what you could do is you could stencil some trees and then put this where you've already stenciled, and then stencil around it to create the background or behind it. And then we've got some, I don't know if this is meant to be underwater. It kind of looks like coral to me. And then you have just different borders. So you could do like a little snow banks, little hills, for example. So you could tape this down to your card and then just ink a background behind it, and then leave that whatever color your card was, or your paper. So kind of cool. Lots of different scenes I imagine you can create, and you can start with these as if you don't want to ink up a background, and then just do some silhouette stamping on top of it, or you can even do kind of silhouette stenciling, because the trees you could do in like a really, really dark green, for example, if you wanted to make those be kind of a little bit more in the background as a bit of a silhouette. So really lovely, very cool. Again, this I just did an unboxing of one of the, I think it was interchangeable scenes, and I don't do a ton of scene building in this way, and so this is another one where I might actually go to the Crafter's Companion box.com website and check out some of the project inspiration that they usually post, because they always do. They always have a ton of inspiration. So if you ever if a box is ever a concept that's different or new to you, like this one is to me, you can always go to crafterscompanionbox.com, and they often have a couple of projects using specifically just the items in that box kit. And generally these boxes are a little teaser or introduction to a full collection on their website. It's exclusive, so you won't be able to find these in that collection that they release, but there may be even more inspiration when you look at that particular concept and the full release that came out. So this one's Stamps and Stencils, so I don't know if that would be the worked into the collection name at all, but that's another place that you could look for ideas too, because often you'll see even more conceptually more ways to use these, even if it's not the exact same product. So I'm excited to actually dig into this one. It looks very kind of magical and fairy themed, and so I think it'll be a fun one. Thank you so much for joining me. This video, along with any project videos that I post where I used the contents of this box kit, will be in my Crafter's Companion playlist, so be sure to check that out at the end of this video if you want to see more. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.